Okay, what's up guys? Elite Airsoft here again today with another video. We just got done doing a video. Okay guys, we're back with another video. Okay, so we just got done doing the shooting test part 1 for the tomato with the G1 airsoft gun. Now we're gonna go into the shooting the plastic cup with a G1 airsoft pistol. Let's see what this can do. And if you guys want a shout out in the next video, go ahead and leave a comment. So here we go with the first one. It's going to be the black ones, and let's see what it does. Number 1 hit, but didn't do anything. 2. Bro, chat. Guys, the gun actually did make the cup have kind of split open a little bit. Bro, that one just went through. That one came back. Did that one go through again? Okay. So, there is like 2 split marks on that cup. So, you guys go ahead. I'll go ahead and I'll show you after I get this loaded real quick. And then you guys tell me which one you guys think won that round after we shoot these. Hope you guys enjoy the channel. And we should be getting a new gun to review and shoot here within the next couple days. Or maybe a couple weeks. Okay, so let's look at it real quick. There's the tomato that we used to keep it in. Okay. Bruh, no way. It actually, like, split it, like, actually. That's cool. What? Bruh! 2 black BBs just actually went through the cup, and then one ended up making a... No! Oh, that's cool. And I swear on my life that there was no scratches or split marks in this cup before we shot. Trust me, if there was, then I wouldn't be so excited. Right now we're in my back house. Yeah, we're at my back house. We're not gonna shoot up by my house because door's right there, so. Okay. So here's the yellow BBs now. Let's see what they can do. Oh snap, one went in. They're making split marks in it, but not as big. They're definitely making split marks, so let's go ahead and look see real quick. Oh, snap. Okay. Go ahead and focus camera. Okay, yeah, so it made a little split mark right there and one right there. But you guys comment which one you guys think won. Number 1, black BBs, or number 2, yellow BBs. Okay, let's get into let's get into the next clip with the black BBs, and let's see. Oh snap! Camera. Come on, camera. Focus. Can you focus, camera? Please focus. Okay, there we go. Jim, move.
Oh, I thought you about to help you with the
You can in a second.
Okay. Wait, are you filming?
Yeah. Number 2, black BBs. They're not doing anything, actually.
What's that dent?
Okay, let's go see what it did. See if this gun is actually as powerful as it looks. Oh, That was weak, black BBs right there. That was weak. It only made that. That's sad.
Try both of them.
Nope. Okay, so last clip right here. Yellow BBs.
I'll get some for you.
Watch out, Junior.
So you said I can hold 8?
Yeah.
Here.
Put the camera back up, please.
I got 3 for you.
Make it do it.
I got 3 for you. There you go. Is that enough?
Yeah, I think so. It should be.
Other than that, or I'll just grab 2 more. Is that where you can see it?
No. Okay, right there. Yellow BBs.
Let's see what they do.
Okay. You guys actually can't see the BBs at all. That one missed. Number 2. Oh,
Ooh.
one went through the cup.
Wait, what? Oh, that went.
I went through the cup too. Okay, let's go see. Nothing.
I hear some beans
Wow.
in there.
Yeah, I did.
There's a tomato in there?
Yeah, we did a tomato shooting test.
No.
I would say that the black BBs won this shooting test, and the yellow BBs won against the tomato. I think that the cup, honestly, I think that the cup was the hardest one because it's plastic. The tomato, I don't think, was the hardest one. Yeah. Okay, so you guys go ahead and leave a like, comment, and subscribe. If you guys think that the yellow BBs won, type 3. If you think that the black BBs won, type 1. And if you guys want a shout out in the next video, go ahead and comment down below shout out. And then and then you can decide if you want me to shout out your Twitch, your YouTube channel, or whatever. Okay. Hope you guys enjoyed. Peace.